the legs of an isosceles triangle. What do we know about the legs of an isosceles triangle? The legs, the two sides of an isosceles triangle like this and this are congruent. So if they say the legs have lengths of x plus 1 and negative x plus 7, those values need to be, those variable expressions need to be equal to each other because they describe the lengths and the lengths are equal. Okay? So the base has the length of this, and what is the length of the base? So in order to be able to figure that out, we need to know what x is. So we know we've now gotten an equation from the expressions that were given because we know those two measurements for the legs have to be equal. So now we can just solve for x. That's not our answer, and you definitely don't want to pick C. X is 3, but they want to know what's the length of the base, and the length of the base is not described as x, it's described as 3x minus 3. So we will take that value and we will plug it in to find out what we get. And we get a measurement of 6 for the length of the base. That's B. So we're done.